In this video, let me show you how to fix YouTube search not loading. If you're trying to search up something on the YouTube platform and none of the searches are loading up, the first thing that you can immediately do is close out the app from the recent list and then try opening up the app again. If this step does not work for you and the searches are still not loading, the second thing that you can do is try to clear the data and cache of the YouTube app. Just tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to app info, and then tap on the clear data option. This way you'll be able to see the option called clear cache. You can just tap on the clear cache button. Once you complete this step, what you can also try out is try to look for any new updates available. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for YouTube, and if you do see new updates, make sure you update the application. Now, even if you do these couple of steps and you're still facing this issue, what you can also try out is uninstall the app of YouTube from your phone and then again reinstall it. Also, you can try rebooting your phone by tapping and holding the power button on your phone and then quickly reboot it. By following these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube search not loading error. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also do give this video a thumbs up.